என் இனிய இந்திய மக்களே, நவநாகரீகத்தில் மூழ்கி கிடக்கும் உங்களை கிராமத்து மண் வாசனையை உணர்த்த அழைத்துச் செல்கிறோம்.
Dharmesh, what does it mean? Is it related to Tamil Nadu?
Yes, Aishwarya. I wanted to say about Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the land of festival. Being a state which developed its art of entertainment at quite an early age, it has popular folk dances still thriving in its heartlands. Here, our students are going to showcase the different traditional art forms such as Karagatam, Kavadiyattam, Kummiyattam, Oyilattam, Poikal Kudarayatam, and Kavadiyattam, which still find relevance in these fast-paced times.
So get set ready for all the excitement and delight. Save up your energy, folks, because today we are going to catch sight of some great dances, some great flair. So let's gear up for a striking beginning of the show.
Next event of the day is Tamil Kalai Changamam. This dance is choreographed and directed by Mrs. Yuvarani, Mrs. Shanmugapriya, and Mrs. Dhanlakshmi.
Hello. Hello, Hema. It's me, Amma. How are you all? We are all doing good, Ma. Amma, I have an exciting news for you. We are planning to visit India this Pongal. Happily awaiting for your arrival.
Amma, shall we go back to Los Angeles? Please? I don't want to go to Grandma's place. It's going to be so boring there.
Why?
Oh my god! There's no internet, no video games, and I will miss all my friends. It's going to be so boring.
In this trip, you won't feel bored as it's a festival season in our village. Welcome, Kaushik. How was your journey? Glad to see you after so many years. Go fresh up and come. We have to celebrate Pongal. Come, Kaushik.
What is the celebration about?
It's a festival giving thanks to the sun god for a successful harvest. Today we have Kummi dance and Jallikattu in our village.
What in the world is Kummi dance? I have never heard that before.
It's a folk art performed by women, clapping to the rhythm set for the song sung by them.
It's really awesome. Jallikattu. What is it, Amma?
It's a traditional bull chasing sport of our Tamil Nadu, which is organized during the harvest festival Pongal. Jalli means coins and Kattu means bag. It refers to a bag of coins which was tied to the bull's horn and then they had to retrieve. The sport is more than 2 million years old.
It seems very interesting. Let's go there. மாமா எனக்கு ஜல்லிக்கட்டு பக்கணும் போல இருக்கு. கூட்டிட்டு போ மாமா ப்ளீஸ்.
அதுக்கு என்ன மாப்பிள, பார்த்துட்டா போச்சு.
ஜல்லிக்கட்டு என்னும் தமிழர்களின் வீர விளையாட்டு நடப்பதற்கு வீரர்களாகிய நாம் அனைவரும் ஒன்று கூடி ஆதரவு கொடுக்கும்படி மிக பணிவோடு உங்களை வேண்டி விரும்பி கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன்.
Really, it is to test the strength of manpower in embracing the bull. Great. Amma, what those people are doing?
They're getting ready with the instrument parai for Tappatam, a folk dance. It is a symbol of enjoyment on victory.
It's so exciting. I too feel like dancing to the beat. I'm hearing some folklore music. Can we go there?
Yes, it is Oyilatam. Oyil means beauty. The men with same costume dance with a colorful piece of cloth tied to their fingers. and wearing ankle bells to say the great epics of Ramayana, Mahabharata, etc.
It was really elegant and graceful. Watching this performance, I loved it.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूला कर्तव्यं दैवमान्यः.
Good morning, Grandma. What are we going to do today?
Good morning, Kaushik. Today we are all going to the Mariamman temple, and as a part of Pongal celebrations, we have Karagatam. Karagatam is the most popular folk art. Karagam is a metal pot filled with grains and decorated in the shape of a cone with flowers. The performer balances this pot on his head and dances to the rhythm. It is to praise Mariamman, the goddess of rain.
कमला कान्ता त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु.
Come, Kaushik, they have started. Let us go and watch Karagatam.
முந்தி முந்தி விநாயகனே முப்பத்து முக்கோடி தேவர்களே முந்தி முந்தி விநாயகனே முப்பத்து முக்கோடி தேவர்களே வந்து வந்தெம்மை காருமையா வந்து வந்தெம்மை காருமையா வந்தனம் வந்தனம் தந்தோமையா வந்தனம் வந்தனம் தந்தோமையா
நித்தம் கொடுத்தே வளர்த்த
What a mind-blowing performance. It was very terrific. Grandma, what is the chant? I hear people saying Arohara. What does it mean?
Arohara is the sound of devotees of Lord Muruga. They carry kavadi on their shoulders with the articles needed for worshipping Lord Muruga tied in it. And the dance is called Kavadiyattam.
Arohara! Vel Muruga, Vel Muruga, Vel! Vel Muruga, Vel Muruga, Vel!
குன்றத்திலே குமரனுக்கு குன்றத்திலே குமரனுக்கு அங்கே குந்தரமா பெண்கள் எல்லாம் கொண்டாட்டம் கொண்டாட்டம் குன்றத்திலே குமரனுக்கு கொண்டாட்டம் அங்கே குந்தரமா பெண்கள் எல்லாம் கொண்டாட்டம் கொண்டாட்டம் குன்றத்திலே குமரனுக்கு கொண்டாட்டம் கொண்டாட்டம் தெய்வயானை திருமணமாம் திருப்பரங்குன்றம் தெய்வயானை திருமணமாம் திருப்பரங்குன்றம் பெருமுழுதும் பக்தர்களில் ஆனந்த மல்தம் பெருமுழுதும் பக்தர்களில் ஆனந்த மல்தம் தங்க வைர கமலமுத்து தமிழமை மாறி தங்க வைர கமலமுத்து தமிழமை மாறி தாங்கிக் கொண்டாள் முருகத்து மாலை தாங்கிக் கொண்டாள் முருகத்து மாலை
Grandma, Amma, this trip was very amazing and very memorable for me. The dances and accompanying music was very lively and entertaining. I wish I should have.
Oh my god! Guys, you broke the stumps on stage! The performance was so energetic that the clappings and hootings just don't seem to end. Give all the performers a big round of applause!